Hi guys, so in this video we are going to fix reCAPTCHA error in the Google Chrome. If you are facing the reCAPTCHA error in your Google Chrome browser, so in this video we are going to fix all the issues on our Google Chrome. So please stay with me in this whole video and it will be around 2 or 3 minutes long. So first of all, if you are facing the reCAPTCHA error on your Google Chrome, you need to update your Google Chrome web browser. So if you can see here, I can see the update option, and you will need to click on this, and our Chrome browser is updated. And if the problem does not resolve after updating the Google Chrome, you can go on the settings, about Chrome, and Google Chrome will check for the latest update. Second step is to check the Google extensions. You need to disable all the Google extensions, and after that you can re-enable all the extensions. So for extensions, you need to go on the manage extensions, and you can simply disable all the extensions by simply switching off this button. You need to switch off all the extensions on your Google Chrome. Step 3 will be the VPN. If you are using any VPN on your MacBook or in your Windows PC, so you simply need to disable the VPN. So this is my VPN and it's not connected. After disconnected VPN, reCAPTCHA will work fine. And if this thing also does not work, so the last step is to change the proxy settings on your device. So let me show you how to disable proxies. Simply just search proxies. In Windows you can search proxy settings, and in Mac you simply need to write proxy. Clicking on proxy, it will show you network configuration. So make sure all buttons are disabled. So, and if they are on, you need to disable them and click on OK. After doing all this method, your reCAPTCHA error will be resolved. And if you have same issue, you can comment down on the in the comment section and we will resolve it. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.